What's up guys, and welcome to a new video. Becoming more muscular is probably something every man tries to achieve, but as there are thousands of ways on how you should diet and train, it can easily lead to confusion. But no worries guys, that's why I created this video to show you the fastest and most efficient way to actually build muscles. But before we're going to start this video, let's take a 3 seconds break. For all of you who are not subscribed to this channel so far, just smash that like and subscribe button down below. Become part of the family, and yeah guys, let me help you to become your best version possible. Alright guys, welcome to the family. So let's dive straight into this video with the first advice, which is set an incentive for your muscles to grow. You simply need to understand that your body will only build muscles if it really has to. But how can you set an incentive? So very easy guys, there are several ways to achieve it. So the first one is increase your intensity of your workouts. The easiest way to increase your intensity is by adding more weight and also focusing more on lifting heavier weights. The second way guys is to increase your training volume. Simply guys, do more reps and sets per exercise. And the last one guys, increase your training frequency. If you want to build muscles fast, you need to increase your frequency of your training. You cannot train each muscle groups only once a week and expect some outstanding results. My recommendation for you guys, train every muscle group at least 2 to 3 times per week and you're in a good way. And as it is very hard to increase intensity and volume at the same time, I would recommend that you focus first on the intensity of your workouts and then continue afterwards with the volume. But how often should you actually train per week and what kind of split should you use? So my personal recommendation based on my own experience would be a push-pull-leg split. It is in my opinion the most effective and most efficient way to train your muscles and also having enough recovery as well. Alright guys, let's continue with the next way, which is in my opinion the most important part of building muscles. It is your diet. As you might already know, your muscles are mainly made out of water and protein. Therefore guys, it is really important that you supply enough of both of them. So my recommendation for you guys, which is also based on science, would be 1.5 gram of protein per kilogram body weight plus 3 to 4 liter water per day. So guys, try to eat mostly whole foods and also guys, have a balanced diet as well. Trust me guys, don't do diets like low carb or low fat or something like that. It will only harm your health in the long term. So stick to the basics guys and you're in a good way. And last but not least guys, let's talk about supplements. So what kind of supplements you should actually take. Up front guys, you don't need many supplements to build your dream shape. Always guys, focus on a balanced and healthy diet first. But if you want to work with supplements to build muscles fast, then I would recommend the following. So number 1, creatine. It is perfect to increase your strength, build muscles much faster and also have a faster recovery as well. And the second supplement that I would recommend, so a very common supplement, so if you can't cover your protein demand with your diet, then I would recommend a protein shake because it will help you a lot to cover your protein demand much faster and easier. Those are the only 2 supplements that I would recommend. If you want to build muscles faster, you only need creatine and a protein shake if you can't cover your protein demand of your day. And yeah guys, that's basically it for today's video. Those are my 3 ways on how you can build muscles the fastest way. Those ways will definitely help you to build muscles much faster, but guys, you still need to be patient and consistent with it. Also guys, stay hungry and try to improve yourself with each and every day. That's it from me, see you in the next video.